So each section is 3/4 of an inch, and there's 10 of them, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and the top area of the head is the 10th section. And then there's 6 areas wide. Each one's 3/4 of an inch. Now just remember that a face is a little more, maybe 6.2 to 6.8, the width to the height. But I always just make it 6 by 10, and then I just add in the cheekbones, and that adds on the extra little bit of width that you need. So let's mark off the 3 areas here, like that. The center line, like that. The 3 areas on this side. And I guess we're good to go. So yeah, there's absolutely nothing wrong with making a grid like this, and for you to draw your faces. Then you can just put in, or you don't even need to put in these lines if you're confident enough. You can just leave them out, right? And so there's your face, and then if you know where the features go, eyebrows on this line, okay, nose here, and then you can put in the eyes. Remember, they start at the edge of the noses, so eyes like that. Find halfway between here and here, it's about here, and then go up a little bit, and that's the opening of the mouth. Put in your flattened triangle, put in a wider flattened triangle for the bottom lip, put in the irises if you so choose. Okay, now the opening of the mouth is generally speaking where the jaw starts to slant in, like that. You can chop off another chunk starting up here and go down, like that. Put the neck in. Just do a half of an apple for the ears if you like. Okay, draw the top of the head. Add some width on for the back of the skull. Add those cheekbones if you like. And there you go, and you can do the bridge of the nose. Remember, the bridge of the nose, the deepest part is at the top of the eyes, so that's why I always stop my lines for the bridge of the nose right at the top of the eyes, like that. And there you go, using the grid to make a face. And from here you can just do whatever details you want for the nose. I like to do my little number 6s here, like that. And then add in the shading, and then basically you have a nose. All right. Okay, how to use the grid to make a face real quick.